Mae Wystrys Brodorol a Wystrys y Graig Sir Benfro yn gynnyrch o radd flaenaf sy'n cael ei cynhyrchu mewn dull arbennig a chynaliadwy.
I'm Jake Davis, the Director of Atlantic Edge Oysters. Today we're down at the East Angle Bay Oyster Farm in East Angle Bay, Pembrokeshire. We are the processors of Pembrokeshire Rock Oysters and Pembrokeshire Native Oysters, PGI.
Mae'r wystrys ifanc yn cael ei gosod mewn bagiau rhwyllog uwch ben gwely'r môr, mwyn sicrhau'r twf gorau posib. Mae pob wystrysen yn cymryd rhwng 2 a 5 mlynedd i gyrraedd ei llawn dwf. Mae gan Wystrys Brodorol Sir Benfro siap crwn fflat. Maen nhw'n fwy prin ac yn cael eu casglu a llaw ambell fis o'r flwyddyn yn unig. Mae gan Wystrys y Graig Sir Benfro gragen fwy dofn, siap deigryn, ac weithiau mae strybedi porffor neu dywyll ar y gragen, sy'n rhoi golwg cwbl unigryw iddynt.
The Cloddau estuary is fed with fresh water that comes down from the Preseli Hills, comes down through all that lovely ancient woodland that line the estuary upriver, and it mixes with that lovely water mixes with the Atlantic Ocean water that comes in. And in the bay here, that mixes together and takes on all that complex flavour of all those minerals that come down the river, all that lovely food that comes in from the ocean. Yeah, and they're really special. Oysters, when you're eating an oyster, if you buy an oyster anywhere, you really should know where it's come from. Because an oyster takes on, a bit like a fine wine, will take on characteristics of where they're grown. This is called a merroir. And so a merroir is a combination of the food that the oyster's been feeding on from the ocean. It's a combination of the minerals that have come and the flavours that have come down through the estuary for the Preselis, and that comes together. It's like magic, right? So it comes together in the oyster and it gets concentrated. So when you eat an oyster, you're really tasting Pembrokeshire, or you're really tasting Angle Bay. But if you eat an oyster from somewhere else, you'll get a completely different set of flavours. They're amazing. It's just magic.
Mae ffermio Wystrys yn Sir Benfro yn dyddio nôl i'r ail ganrif ar 15. Bryd hynny, roedd aber y ddau gleddau yn ganolfan holl bwysig ar gyfer pysgodfeydd Wystrys Brodorol. Heddiw, mae'r ffermwyr yn cyfuno gwybodaeth draddodiadol gydag arferion cynaliadwy, gan sicrhau cyn lleid a phosib o effaith ar yr amgylchedd. Mae ffermio Wystrys yn cyfoethogi ansawdd y dŵr, bioamrywiaeth ac iechyd cyffredinol ecosystem yr aber.
Obtaining a GI would be very helpful for us as Atlantic Edge Oysters, supporting a small local producer, that is the Angle Bay Oyster Farm. We can't compete on the scale and price against other farms, so we have to really work on our quality and bring in the best product we can to market. A GI will help distinct us between like a generic oyster and a more carefully grown one. I think having PGI status might attract a broader audience who are aware already of Welsh PGI products, and see a new one come to market, they might be interested in trying that. Being part of the Welsh GI family would be great. There's some fantastic products already, the Commandshire ham, PTO lava bread, or the whiskies. All of those products work really well with oysters. It'd be great to be part of that family to show a distinct and great product.